Hey guys, and welcome back to exercise number 9 of the SolidWorks basic tutorial series. In this video, we're going to be designing a sliding cover. As always, we are going to be implementing and learning many of the different SolidWorks features like the extruded boss base feature and extruded cut feature. We're also going to be implementing many of the sketch features in SolidWorks, including the circle and trim tools. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as usual, we begin by creating a new SolidWorks part. We set the background to plain white, and we copy exercise number 9 into SolidWorks for better viewing. Perfect. I think the best way or the easiest way to model this is by following 4 main steps. Step number 1 would be to create the main bulk of the component by first sketching the rectangular profile, followed by an implementation of the extruded boss base feature. Step 2 is to work on the cylindrical protrusion here, followed by a fillet radius implementation. Of course, there's a hole here at the top. Step 3 would have us working on the rectangular or square opening here at the back of the component, not visible in isometric view, but clearly shown as a hidden line within the projection views of the component. Finally, step 4, we create the opening, the circular opening here at the front using the extruded cut feature. Okay, so it's a relatively easy exercise, so let's get started. We start by selecting top plane, sketch, select center rectangle, we draw one rectangle, select smart dimension. The dimension of this rectangle here is 75 by 64. So this is 75 millimeters, while this side right here is 64 millimeters. We go to features, extrude boss base. We're going to extrude this to an overall height of 76, as you can see here, 76 millimeters. So 76 millimeters. Okay. Step 2 is to create the cylindrical part right here. So select this surface, sketch. We draw one circle here at the center. And the circle here, or this cylindrical part right here, has a diameter of, right here, 38 millimeters. So this is 38 millimeters. Go to features, extruded boss base, and we're going to extrude this to a height of 19 millimeters. Okay, so here, right, 19. We now create the opening here at the top. So we select this face, sketch. We draw one circle. Use a smart dimension, and the diameter of this opening here at the top is 19 millimeters. So this is 19. Okay. We go to features, extrude cut, and we're going to extrude this, or rather we're going to leave this extrusion for last, okay? We're going to delete this circle. Let's work on the fillet right here. So we're going to exit sketch, go to features, fillet, select this edge, right here, this edge. And we're going to use a fillet radius of 10 millimeters right here. Select OK. We go to the back of the component, select this face, sketch. We're now going to create the square opening here at the back. So select center rectangle, And we're going to draw one rectangle like this. Go to Smart Dimensions. Okay, so this rectangle here, or this square, the distance between this edge and this edge is 10 millimeters. This gap also has an opening or a length of 10 millimeters. This is also 10. And this is 10 as well. Go to Features, Extrude Cut, and we're going to cut this to a depth of 64 minus 10, which is 54. So go blind and write 54 millimeters. We create this opening here. We now create the opening here at the front. So select this face, sketch, use circle. We draw one circle. Select Smart Dimension. The distance between this edge and the center of this circle is 38 millimeters. As you can see here, 38. While the diameter of the circle is 50 millimeters. Okay, go to Features again, Extrude Cut. We're going to extrude this up to surface, this surface right here. Select OK. Finally, the opening here at the top, we select this surface, sketch. We draw one circle here. The diameter of the circle is 19 millimeters. So use Smart Dimension. This is 19. Go to Features, Extrude Cut. We're going to cut this up to this surface right here. As you can see, the hole goes all the way to the opening here at the back. So this surface right here. Select OK. We delete percentage. Assign material. Go to Steel. Cast carbon steel. Okay. And we're done. So that concludes exercise number 9. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this video or to this channel. Would really appreciate the support. And for more content like this, it's important that you subscribe and leave your comments. I'd like to know your thoughts. So I hope to see you all in exercise number 10. Until then, bye-bye.